Hi guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. What happened was the fridge actually got frozen over, so now we have to de-ice it. And I thought it would be the perfect time to just take everything out and deep clean it. It definitely needed it. So what I'm doing right now is just going ahead and taking all the things that are non-perishable, like juice and drinks, and putting them up on the counter, just removing them from the fridge. So what I'm going to be using is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Multi-Surface Spray in the mint scent. It's actually one of the spring collection ones, so it smells really good. But to me, it doesn't really smell like mint. I don't know. Is that just me? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just wipe everything down with that. I apologize that you guys can't really see it. I didn't really know how to position the camera, but hopefully you get the idea. You guys can't see what I'm doing here, but the little drawer that went there, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down with that same spray I was using for the entire fridge. And now I'm actually going to take my handheld vacuum from Dyson and vacuum the fridge. So there were a lot of crumbs and little pieces of like dog hair that got into the fridge that I couldn't really wipe up very easily. So I'm just going to take it and vacuum up all of that. It's honestly amazing to me because I did not understand how dirty my fridge was, so I definitely recommend doing this about a few times a month. I've actually not cleaned it since I moved in. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down this inner portion. It smelled strongly of garlic, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place everything back into the fridge and where it goes. And as you can see, that cleaner did an amazing job. I definitely recommend it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for staying with me and watching this clean with me. And hopefully my fridge will be fixed soon, otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well if you guys want to support me. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment as well letting me know when you guys clean your fridge or if this inspired you to clean your fridge. Go ahead and leave me that comment below and I'll see you guys on Monday with my next Clean With Me. Bye!